Okay, so just a real quick preliminary test here. Let's see, me levels seem okay there. What it is, it's only going to be dead quick because I've just done the opposite of this video, and I've had to do a quick one on that because these are the first versions that I will have heard of these. So basically, I've swapped over the capsules from the Fifine to the Behringer, and from the Behringer to the Fifine. So this is the XM8500 on the top here, and the Fifine 669D, I think that is on the bottom. But right now, this is the Behringer XM8500 body, but with the capsule from the Fifine in it. Now, the thing is, the reason why I swapped the capsules over primarily is because I much preferred the type of body that the Fifine's got, but I preferred the capsule out of the Behringer. So I just thought, well, I'll swap them around. So I've got myself the nicer looking body, in my opinion, with what I think is the better sounding capsule. However, as we know, when these things get moved around, certain things may change, may sound worse or may sound better. So this capsule that I'm on now inside the XM8500's body, this is typically like a very bright capsule, a bit too bright for my voice, but maybe it's calmed down being inside this kind of configuration. Anyway, that'll do for this quick test. It was just something for me to get a good listen to, but I will probably have put this live, and the other one I'll link the two videos together. So if anybody comes across these two videos, let me know what you think of them. I'm just trying to find some way of like putting together what I think is kind of like, you know, the best kind of like podcasty close mic VO type dynamic, which someone can build for themselves, which ain't gonna break the bank and stuff like that. Anyways, I'll leave it at that. Let me know in the comments what you've thought of this, and did it sound okay, or does it still sound like a really bright microphone, or has it gotten even brighter? Anyways, I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.